Hello everybody, my name is Al and I'm with BobCAD, and today we're going to go through a quick drawing lesson. I'll just take a few moments and we're going to use some surfacing to create this 3D model. So to start out with, we're going to create a circle. Create a circle that is this size. Oh, you know what? Let me change my color that I'm drawing with. You know what? One of the things that you can do is you can go to your default colors, and I'm going to just change this to orange. That way, now every time I start up a new file, it'll start with the color orange. Alright, so we got one circle there. Let's see, we need another one. So we're going to do arc coordinates. This one is 10.3. Alright, so we have those those two circles. The next thing I want to do is create some holes. These are going to be let me see here. I guess they're this is 1.5. Okay. So they're at the 45s now. I don't need to. The snap points are coming up automatically. If I hold down Shift and I left click on it, you can see how these snap points come up. And I need 4 of these, just like that. Now, from here, I just want to trim away some of this geometry. So gonna just get rid of these pieces here. Alright, now I'll chain select it. Looks good. Okay, so now from here, what I'm gonna do is translate this down. So this is -7. We want to copy. Okay, and then I'm gonna rotate this. This is gonna be 10 degrees in Z, and then I'll choose OK. Alright, so now we have our two surfaces, or I'm sorry, our two sets of wireframe. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cap off this end here, and then I'll cap off this end here, and then I'm going to create a cross-section surface between here and here. Alright, so now I have all of that geometry done. Now I've been in the habit of, with surfaces, bullying them together, doing a solid add. Yesterday the development team had talked with me, and there is a place to add solids, but when they're all trimmed like they are in this example, the proper option is to use stitching. So we're going to stitch this, stitch surfaces to solid. We'll choose all, spacebar, and now we have our solid model. So just a quick little drawing lessons, kind of a recap. One of the things that I'll do when I have my wireframe and I have surfaces that share edges is I'll turn the layer off and then I'll make that layer active. This way, when I create my planar surfaces, it blanks them out automatically because the viewing of that layer is turned off. And I find this to make it a little bit easier when you're developing those surfaces, because now you can turn them all on and they're all there together. So just a quick drawing lesson, working with wireframe, using some surfaces. The other recap would be, when you have surfaces like this and you want to turn them into a solid, the proper tool to use is stitching, stitch surfaces to solid, and what that will do is take all those surfaces and it'll stitch it together as a solid. If you guys have any questions or comments, feedback, please reply back to the Facebook, the YouTube, or whatever thread this video may be posted in. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.